Hi guys, it's Miss Andrea from the Westhampton Free Library. How are you doing? We have the camera all set up, so I'm not gonna kind of peek on in because I don't want to mess it up. As you can see, we're going to be doing candy art today, and I have my assistant Colin here to help. And we are using, it was hard to get some materials, so whatever you have basically at home, you can use. So what we're using is icing, and we got rainbow chip, so we're actually not going to glue our graham crackers together because the chips are keeping it from sticking well. But if you want to stick yours together and you have plain icing, it should stay fine. But we're not going to carry our art around. We're going to leave it on the plate anyway, so that's okay. We have blue sprinkles. I plan on doing like a little beach scene, so that'll be for the water. And these are tropical Sour Patch Kids, and these are mini Swedish fish. The big ones are a little too big for this project. And we also have Skittles. I'm not sure if we're going to use the Skittles or not, but they're an option you can do. We also have dots as candy. If you wanted to use that, you could use licorice. You could do basically whatever you want to do. So, let's get started. I'm going to, you can also, what I plan on doing, but we don't have them, was get cookies and kind of crumble it up to make sand. I'm going to make a beach scene, but this is the same color as sand, so I'm just going to leave one section with nothing on it. And then for the next section, I'm going to do water. So we're going to take some of our icing. That's a lot of icing. Now again, mine has little chips in it. It doesn't have to be perfect. You know, I'm sure we're not all getting to the store still. I haven't been to a store since we went into quarantine. So just work with what you have. So this is gonna be, now I'm not the best artist, so if you guys make yours look nicer than mine, by all means, send me pictures. You can find us on Instagram and tag us at Teen Boulevard. Okay, so this is sand, and now we're gonna turn this into ocean. You can pretend those are rocks in the ocean too. That is a lot of ocean. That's kind of pretty. What do you think, Kyle? Yeah. So then in our ocean, we of course need, what needs to go in the ocean, Kyle?
Fish.
Fish? What do you guys think? Fish? So we'll stick our little Swedish fish, and the icing is what's going to help everything stick where you want it. So we have some fish, and then we can even put little people in the ocean. There you go, laying on his back, looking at the sky. Nice relaxing day at the beach. Alright, so then I'm gonna get some more icing since that's like our glue. If you want to do a night sky, you could probably do like if you have a dark chocolate icing. Do you think that would work? I don't know. So if you guys don't know, we're opening up to appointments by patrons this week. This is the week of July 6th. So it starts, I think, July 8th. You can call and make an appointment. This is a lot of icing. Alright. I went a little overboard with the icing, but you know what? You live, you learn. It's fine. So, since I already used the blue down here for the water, I'm going to switch it up for the sky. And we're going to do a nice sunset. Colin gave me that idea. So we're going to have our purples. Right? And you could eat all of this when you guys are done if you want. Because I don't think the icing will change the colors of things. It'll just make it better, right? I mean, icing makes everything better. What do you think, Kyle? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Icing, yay or nay? cupcake versus icing. Would you rather eat the cupcake or the icing on the cupcake? And then we have like a nice layer of orange. This is a beautiful sunset. This was a good idea, Colin. And what you could also do, if you want to put people on the beach, just take little dabs of icing so that the people will stand up. Right? But don't cover it. Do that. Let's see if they stand up. I don't know if they're gonna or not. But it's worth a shot. Where's his head and where's his little feet? Oh, look at that. Let's get that. And he might be upside down, but I don't care. See? They're at the beach, looking at the fish, watching the sunset. Easy, right? Easy. You can eat it all. And again, if you do it on just like a plate and you do want to move it around to show your parents or grandparents or anybody, take the whole plate. Because even if you glue the crackers together with icing, it might break, so you don't want to just be carrying around, you know, cookies in your hand. Because you've now made candy art. And that was a lot of fun. And it was super easy. And you can do it, you know, with a bunch of people if you want. You just get a box of crackers and some stuff, because we definitely have plenty of candy left over even after making our designs. Alright, so I hope you guys have a great day. Colin's going to keep working on his. And I'll see you next time. Bye.